Hi guys, here's how you can install packages from unknown sources on macOS. We will learn two methods. Now these are our ready-to-use toolkit installation packages, DeepFake and iRoop. So let's try to install this. Now this is a security feature for macOS, so it verifies it. So please be very cautious and careful before installing any packages from unknown sources, as it can damage your Mac. But this is our installer, so it is completely safe. As you can see, we cannot install the package. Click on Done. Now click here, go to System Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and again scroll down to Security. So you will find the option Open Anyway. Now this is one method for installing unknown packages, but this might be very annoying as you have to do this every time for unknown source packages. So we will teach another method too. Open Anyway, enter your password, and you can run the installation. But again, this process might be very annoying as you will have to do it for each packages, so it can be quite time consuming. So let's try to disable it globally. Open the terminal and type sudo spctl master disable and enter. Now enter your Mac password. You will see this notice. Now again click here, go to System Settings, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down again and on Allow Application From, choose Anyway. You'll have to write your password again, modify settings, allow from Anyway. So this is done. And you can close this. Now this is also an unknown packages. Now if I try to install it, then it will automatically run. So you do not have to come here and give the approval. Now if you want to disable it, you can change this again to App Store and non-developers. So now this will again ask for the confirmation when you try to install packages from unknown sources. As you can see, the same package is now asking for permission. Done. As you can see it here, we'll have to approve this manually. Hope this video helped. Thank you very much.